Hello Rickard and anyone else who might be watching. This is my presentation for the Introductory 3D of fall 2014 for what project I am going to do. And my project will be a puzzle box, which is also an intricate piece of machinery. I got the idea originally from this. I have taken pictures from a game called The Room, which is a puzzle adventure type of thing, where the aim of the game is needing to open this box by doing different things to it. For example, you can see this here. You would be able to slide it open. There will be a button that opens this, and so forth. And I find these kind of things very interesting, so I wanted to see if I could do one myself. But let's jump right into it and see. I have made a rough draft of one of the sides for my own box, which you can see here. I've assigned a near transparent material, so you would be able to look inside the box and see these cogwheels, which I've also modeled to see them spinning around inside. This green plane is simply a placeholder so the viewer can see directly through the entire box. But as you can see, this is probably how one of the sides is going to look like. The models are created both by primitive modeling, such as the decorative star right here is made from box modeling and by manipulating edges and vertices. And the frame, for instance, is created from primitive modeling, where I simply made pipes and spheres and toruses and cut them off and combined them together to create this frame. And the column here as well will also be is also of primitive modeling. But as you can see, this will be a very decorative side, and 3 of the 4 sides of the box will be full-sized here, where I think only this one will be open, but there might be other parts of the other 2 sides as well. But the last 4th side will be created in 2 halves, which would allow the box to actually open, so it would be like 2 doors on the front of the box, where I would have created several locks in the front that I will animate to open and close. And one idea for a lock this way would be having this bolt being able to slide back and forth, so it would be locked initially, and then I would be able to animate that it opens and the box can open. Another idea for a lock mechanism would be these, which would be able to rotate 90 degrees away from each other and thus opening the box. The entire animation for the project would be to begin the video by having focus on the cogwheels inside here, watching them just turn and turn and turn, grinding against each other, and then slowly zoom out so you get a full view of the box. After that, the camera will orbit around the box all the way around, so you can see all of the 4 sides until you end at the 2 door panels, and you can see all the locks, where the locks in the end will slide open, all of them, and the box will open slightly and light will emanate out from it, as if something ancient or magical or something like that, or at least something important is contained within the box. That is basically my idea for the project. I hope you enjoyed watching this, and thank you.